Good morning, guys. Okay, so let's see how we can do our assignment on Khan Academy. So first of all, make sure you log in to your account. So it'll be easier if you log into Google first and then access Khan Academy from that. Okay, so let's see. You type in Khan Academy onto Google, and then you're going to click on that, and then click on Login. Continue with Google. Okay, so that's your, it shows all your assignments. If you want to change your name, if it's not showing your first name and last name, you click on the one that shows on the top left where it shows your name. And then you can click on settings and change it to the name that you want to, like for the nickname, whatever name you want to change it to, you can change it to that. And then make sure you click on save changes, whatever you want to put for your username and nickname, you change it to that, and then click on save changes. So that's going to show on my end, and I also know like who is the person who is doing the assignment. Now if you click on your name and click on your learner home, it shows all your assignments that you're supposed to do. So you can start on any assignment that you want to. So let's say I am starting on the unit test. That's where it takes me. Okay, so here I have 3 point, like I'm just combining like terms, so I would do 3.4 minus 1.3, which would be 2.1. And then you can use a calculator to do that too. Just open up a new tab and you can do it on that. Minus 1.3. It gives you 2.1, so you go back and put 2.1 just to be sure. You can see 2.8, negative 2.8, and positive 2.8, so that will cancel out. So you can either put 0D or just the number part, and then you're going to check your answer, see if it works. And then go on to the next question, and it tells you this one. So here you're going to distribute and combine like terms. So 2 times negative n is negative 2n, and then you have negative 7 times 2n is going to be negative 14n. It'll be negative 16n. So it has to be either A or B. Now if you do the number part, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. So negative 6 and negative 35 is going to give you negative 41. So you're going to pick that answer. And let's say you don't do it, you don't have time, you're going to come back and do it later. you can see where you're at. So that's you're like on level 1. So again, if you go back to your learner home, it tells you what you have done. You can see your progress. So we didn't like spend a lot of time, so that's why it's not showing any progresses yet. But here it shows you like how many minutes you have done, you have exercised today, and then how many total learning minutes you have spent altogether. So again, your assignments shows all your assignments. You can there's 1, 2, 3 pages of assignments, so you can 3 or 4 pages in actually. So that is the, let's see, that's the first page, that's the second page, that's the third page, and that's the 4th page of assignments. So you can pick and choose any ones you want to. So you're trying to do at least 10 of these assignments, and you were supposed to do at least for 30 minutes each day. So you can pick and choose which assignments you want to do, but you need to do it like at least 30 minutes a day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 30 minutes each. And you're supposed to do at least a total of 10 assignments. So you can pick and choose which ones you want. Some of these are videos and some of them are quizzes. And you can see, okay, so let's see from the beginning. So you can see that this one is just a video. A lot of these are videos, and then there's some that says quiz, so those are going to be quizzes. And then there's some that says there's one that says, the last one says the unit test. So that's going to be the unit test that would give you a lot of points. So if you do the unit test first, it kind of gives you an idea of whether what you know about a unit, and then you can go back and work on the ones that you struggle with. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you.